and have a baby. And so the man on the TV said, you have to give your life to Christ so you can have a baby. So she gave her life to Christ. She's crying. She gave her life to Christ. She surrendered. And then that's how I was able to be born, to tell you.
Did she have a husband?
Yeah. But I'm
so I mean, she had sex with a man and had a baby.
My dad.
That's not a miracle, bro. I mean, people have kids with a husband all the time, right? All right.
We're going to say the trees are not miracles.
Look, trees are miracles in the sense that Allah... Listen. I got you. Listen, I listen to you. You got to listen to me.
I don't.
Bro, why not? Why are you running from the truth?
Bro, I just told you.
Look, I listen to you. Listen to me.
How is my birth not a miracle?
Let me speak to you.
That's like saying you're not a miracle.
Let me speak to you. Can I answer?
You are a miracle.
Do you want my answer?
I don't. But I will
see. Why are you gonna not listen, bro?
But I
all right, have a good day. Have a good day, bro. No problem.
Listen. I'm not a miracle.
Listen. All these people that have had husband and mother come together, in the sense that it's a miracle that God gave birth, yes, to humans. But if many of these people are not Christian, many are Muslim. Hold on.
Life to Christ, so she could be.
Many of these people and I've met myself, who follow different religions, that become very spiritual, give their life to different deities, end up having children. Does that mean? It's not mine, but
it's ironic though, right?
Yeah.
God is good.
Yeah.
Hey,
see,
Jesus.
But
right,
you see, no, you didn't answer.
No,
listen.
I got you.
Let me just